13 kilometers. Taipei Grand Trail, section 1. So here, about 2.5 kilometers. We started down at Guandu. We're gonna zip up through the mountains, beautiful day, all the way up to Erzurping. And we'll take a bus back at that point. Looks like there's a bus up there. Couple hundred meters are pretty well, not straight up, but if it was a little wet, make sure you wear hiking shoes. You need things with grip. This isn't like a steps thing, you know, so yeah, wear something with grip, something on the bottom. Take your time, watch your feet. Yeah, so we're about now almost 4 kilometers in.
In 232 meters, turn right. Duration 42 minutes 1 second. Elevation 255 meters.
There you go. My phone is my friend. Giving me turn by turn with the screen off. Yeah, Samsung, everything's...
In 200 meters, turn right.
I think I'll leave this on all day. It's kind of fun. 200 meters, turn right. Do I have a choice? I don't think so. Let me tell you some stories. Got my brain thinking. I remember when I was younger, a long time ago, it's about 24 years old, I was tree planting in northern Canada. This reminds me of it. Maybe that's what it is. But you get dropped off in northern Canada, sort of, you're not close to anybody. There's no cell phones, nothing like that back then. But you're on a, what they call a clear cut. We're on a mountain, all of the trees are shaved off, you're dropped onto it and you got to plant trees all day. Maybe every few hours a guy in a truck on like a logging road would drive by, drop some more trees on. You get your lunch, your water. But you're alone, literally in the wilderness. It's not a normal road, right? It's like a logging road, which is not even as nice as this in most cases. But yeah, there's bears, man. Like there's so many bears because it's so easy to get food on those clear cuts. So every day you'd see a bear, 2, 3. First time you see one, you're scared. But after days and days and months, you start yelling at the damn things because you can't really plant when they're there. Your fear goes away, which I think is, in retrospect, not safe. But there's not much else you can do. You make yourself big and you yell, it'll run away. You don't want to scare the things, but you don't want to be showing them that you're scared. But yeah, it's weird. If I saw a bear today, just walk the other way. Don't run. It's a bear story. I don't know if it's a good one, but it's mine. What are we doing here? Phone, talk to me. What am I supposed to do here? That out, eh? As you kind of walk through a little gardening community here. It'd be nice to live up here. We're on track. Oh. It's nice. I like these old buildings, communities. So from here, got some distances here, I don't know, 13 kilometers now. We started down there. We've made it up here in under 2 hours with 2 20-minute stops, and that's not going, you know, very fast at all. So let's do it. We're gonna go up from here, obviously, and take a bus back from there. It should be about 4 or 5 o'clock. We should get some really good shots up in this area. But again, yeah, I'd say there's your details if you have to type them in. Qingtian Temple. But I want to just start here and do the second half if you want like a half of it. You can split this into 2 sections. All right, well, let's do it. Here we go. Buses come up here, take you back. We're not going back, we're going up. Let's see what's next. Ginger? This is some. What's that? Oh boy. Okay. Carrots. Just imagine stairs, right? That go up for 4 kilometers. So 4 kilometer staircase with some interesting scenery. We'll look over here. I don't know if it's the right way, but we'll look anyway. Looks like some old homestead or something was built up here at one point. Nintianping stone houses. It's a stone house heritage site. Huh. Some people a long time ago used to live up in these things. Let's give you a shot. This is it's a heritage sort of thing, but this is what's left. Don't think I don't live here now, you know? Especially if it's raining. That's what that is. Interesting. Well, we are 11 kilometers in, just 2 more kilometers. It's not too bad now, it's leveled off, but you can see that. We're in the clouds, okay? So literally, we're at 850 meters elevation, so 100 or 200 down, it's a clear sunny day. But yeah, so much for the drone shot up here. But that's okay. Feels like that, what's that horror movie? The Fog or something? There's a bathroom. There's a bathroom here if you need to use it. I think this is where a lot of buses will come up, and should be about 2 kilometers left in the hike, and it doesn't look like it's too bad, but let's do one of the peaks up here that we're headed, the end of Grand Trail Section 1. So, I think I'm the only person up here. Spooky. Well, there you go. I did it in 3 hours with 2 20-minute stops, so That's the official 12.8 kilometers. They say 13, so yeah, that's close enough. That's right from the MRT elevation. Yeah, we're about 900 or whatever, so it's 18 degrees up here. Apparently this is where buses will come, but I gotta figure this out. I don't know how high these clouds go, or if my drone will even work in this, so I don't think I'll send it up. It's a little wet in the air too. It screws up the electronics. Anyways, that's it. How would I call this hike? Not too bad at all. The next section starts from here and goes up. That'll be probably the next one I take. I'll take a bus to here and go up there. Not too bad. It's not that difficult. Just there's a few sections which maybe you might want to stop, but they quit. They end after a few kilometers and they give you time to rest. So it's not. Don't think it's gonna be like that the whole way up. It's not. You saw what sort of happened. Moderate pace. Yeah, you saw what I mean. Not too long at all. Roughly 3 hours if you're not stopping. 3.5 is what I took. I did 2 stops and didn't push too hard. All right, that's it. Taipei Grand Trail Section 1. I gotta figure out the bus now, so I'll leave you there with a shot. All right.